Hey guys, how's it going? Well, today what we're going to be talking about is the SlimFast Meal Replacement Shake. Now, this helped me a lot. Probably about 2 months ago. Right now, my wife is using these, and it's helping her. But I had to use these because I work out regularly and I pretty much stay in shape pretty well. But I got hurt not too long ago, and I needed to rest my body from any kind of weightlifting or anything like that. So I couldn't really exercise too much, and so I gained weight. So I was feeling a bit of a belly, and when I was back 100% again, I wanted to kind of figure out a way to lose the weight fast and kind of easily. Of course, I was exercising. I needed something to replace eating so many meals, and this really works. What I have here is the chocolate flavor one, which is my favorite. I think it also comes in vanilla. Yeah, and there's only 1 gram of sugar in here and 20 grams of high protein. And the protein is what really is the kicker. That's what, really gets you. Protein is the building blocks of muscle. Lose weight. High protein. This meal replacement lasts for 4 hours in your body as far as controlling how hungry you get. It really fills you up. Now, when you're drinking this, it tastes really, really like chocolate milk, but thick. Not quite as thick as, say, a shake you would get at a fast food place, like ice cream shake or something like that, but a shake like a thick milk. Like if you ever drank half and half type of milk, it's like that cream. It's kind of like that, but chocolate flavor. So it's pretty good. It's not going to gross you out or anything, or taste like, oh, this is an imitation chocolate. Oh God, no, it just doesn't taste right. No, it's so doable. It's really easy. You can really, really lose weight if you stick to this. It literally makes you feel full because it's so thick, and it gets in your stomach and just sits there, and you feel full for a long time. I guess your body, I think it takes a long time to digest it. So it lays in there, and it really will make you lose the weight. Yeah. I don't think you should, just diet to lose weight. You should always exercise, but this is a good tool to use to actually take off those pounds and, eat right. This is full of vitamins and protein and all the things that a body needs to, grow muscle and, stay healthy and everything. And it's like a meal, a healthy meal. And it's gluten-free, which is the fad right now. And it really, really, I swear by it. I don't really need to do this consistently like then. But my wife uses it now. She has a little more issues with weight than I do because I work out so much. But when I wasn't, this was there for me, and it really, really works. It really curbs the appetite. And that's the main thing. Curbing your appetite is so necessary when you're trying to lose weight, because that is the reason why you're gaining so much weight. You just want to eat, you just feel like, I know there's people that just like to eat because they just like the way things taste, but sometimes you're legitimately hungry. And if you're a type of person that doesn't need to eat when they're not hungry, this will work for you. If you're not hungry, you're not going to eat. So this is what will work. 4 hours. So what I did was I took 1 in the morning and 1 in the between like around 6 o'clock, I would take another one. Yeah, not quite like too late to the evening, because you'll start feeling that hunger. What I would do is in the morning, I would take one of these, and in like around lunchtime, I'd have a reasonable lunch, and then this in the evening, like at around 6. And it worked. The weight came off really fast, and I was really pleased with it. Yeah, okay. Well, this is the SlimFast meal replacement shake, the chocolate flavor. I hope you guys use this information, and I will see you next time. Okay, bye-bye.